I'm sure you can feel it, this clear moment of choice, a choice of direction, either down the organic path that has soul and heart and is backed by the light of the divine, whatever you call that, or the path of the inorganic, artificial, false. And for those of us who know we are here to be bearers of the light, for those of us who know that we're here to use our gifts of storytelling, beauty making, sensitivity, intuition, compassion for this light. It's a clear choice. However, most of us, myself included, have been influenced by the inorganic, have been influenced by energies, thought patterns, beliefs of this false light path. And we've believed ourselves to be not ready, not good enough, not whole, not complete, that there's something that we need to fix about ourselves before we're ready to give the gifts or receive the light. That's the lie that so many of us came here to transform. It's a part of what many of us as gays, homos, queers, if you like, it's a part of our path to believe lies about ourselves so that we can truly make a choice to know that we are light bearers, that we do have unique expressions and gifts to bring to this world. So part of the path of being able to bring those gifts and choose the organic path of light and soul is to have walked in the darkness, to have experienced shame, to have dabbled in things that dimmed or even overshadowed our light. For many of us, coming out of the darkness, right now I'm sitting on a fallen tree and my camera here is on the exposed roots. And this is what feels like a lot of us are coming out of, is like the underbelly, beneath the surface, exploring shadow, exploring darkness, to really truly understand what it is. And that even the darkness can come into the light. Even the darkest parts of yourself that you have believed are things you need to change or get rid of before you can give your gifts. That is a part of your gifts, to welcome those things into the light. That nothing about you, your past, your thoughts, your emotions, your patterns, what you might perceive as your weaknesses, nothing is outside of that light. So as we come to this choice point of I'll call it the inorganic or the organic, it is incumbent upon us to daily, if not multiple times a day, invoke the light in our lives, to breathe in light into our bodies, which is just so simple. I do this all of the time because as someone who has chosen to be public about the light, there have been, I'll say, energies that are attracted to that light, that joy and the self-expression, because it's it's attractive, like a moth to a flame. But these are not energies that are benevolent to me. And so it's my job, as it is your job, to consciously invoke, call in, breathe in the light into your body, and then breathe out anything that is in opposition to that, any energy of other people, sexual energy, mental energy, emotional energy of others that you've carried around that have held you apart from knowing yourself as complete and whole. So a very simple way to do this is to close your eyes and breathe either in and out your nose or in your nose and out your mouth. He really wants to be right here, so I'm going to put him right here. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Is to breathe and imagine, sense, feel, see, however it comes to you, 360 degrees around you is light coming into the central channel of your body. And as you breathe out, you're breathing out maybe a smoke that is representative of the energy that is not yours, that is not beneficial to you in your path. Just 5 minutes of doing this. Just 5 minutes of doing this, and you can transform your own vitality. It's so potent and powerful and so simple that it seems like it wouldn't do much. But I invite you to try it and see how it works for you. This is something that we will be doing more in depth on December 21st in an event that I'm hosting. It's a pay what you can event, so it's open to as many people as possible. This event called The Return of Your Light, for the purpose of us homos saying yes, yes, I will walk as a beacon of light in this world, no matter what I do or how it becomes expressed. Yes, I'm choosing this path. And yes, I am invoking the light in my life again. That information is in the links below. So, in your life, what has been pulling you away from your inner knowing? Is it consuming a lot of media that makes your mind scattered? Is it conversations that are repetitive of an old identity that's not truly you anymore? Is it a cluttered home that doesn't allow energy to flow freely in your life? This is the time, as we finish out this year, this is the time to choose to make changes in the ways that you know you have been held separate or challenged in fully embodying your light. A beautiful example that I love of us, the uniqueness of us as homos here to be light bearers, is the imagery of the rainbow, as in Imagine that you are a prism and the light of the divine, the light of source, moves through you when you say yes to being a channel. And that prism casts this multi-dimensional, multicolored light. That's your gift. You are not here to be one-dimensional. You are a bridge between masculine and feminine. You are a bridge between worlds. You are not afraid of the shadow, but you hold it in the light. And so all of you, all of these facets of you are what make you such an important gift to this world. And so as you clear anything that has held you back from the clarity of mind and heart that allows you to move forward in your life with giving your gifts, as you do that, even in that process, you are an example for people to see that it is possible. These are your gifts. I love you.